In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up support email in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll have a working support inbox that automatically turns customer emails into tickets, and you'll know which connection type works best for your team. First, navigate to the right place in your account. From the dashboard, open the admin area, then go to Channels and choose Email. You'll land on the email settings page where all support addresses are managed. Make sure you have admin permissions, since only admins can add or modify email channels. Next, add your support address. Click the option to add a new support email. This creates the mailbox your customers will write to and tells Freshdesk how to fetch incoming messages and send replies. You can add more than one address later if you support multiple brands or teams. Now choose how you want to connect. If you want the fastest zero setup start, select the Freshdesk provided email. Freshdesk will give you an instant alias that's ready to receive and send. Many teams begin here, then set up forwarding from their own domain to this alias once everything is tested. If your organization uses Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, pick the Google or Outlook option. You'll sign in and authorize Freshdesk to access the mailbox. This uses secure authentication and keeps your messages in sync. Be sure you're logging into the exact inbox you want customers to reach and confirm any prompts about permissions from your provider. For maximum control or when using another mail host, select Custom Mail Server. Enter the IMAP details for incoming mail and the SMTP details for outgoing mail, including server names, ports, and security options like SSL or TLS. Use the mailbox's username and a secure password or app-specific password if your provider requires it. Double-check ports and encryption settings to match what your mail host recommends. Finally, verify and test. Follow any on-screen verification prompts to confirm Freshdesk can send and receive through your chosen method. Send a test message to your support address from a different account and wait for it to appear as a new ticket. Open the ticket, post a reply from Freshdesk, and confirm it reaches the sender's inbox. If anything doesn't arrive, check spam folders, authentication errors, or incorrect server settings, then retest. When your test flow works end-to-end, your support email is ready for real customer conversations.